Hello everyone, first we are going to take hair from one side and then we're gonna start making a braid by taking little amount of hair from one side like this and then keep on making it till the last, then repeating the same with the other side as well. And now we're gonna fold it in half and your hairstyle is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we have taken a high ponytail, taking some hair, and then we are going to take this thread with some bows on it and adding it to our hair. Then we are going to start taking hair from both the sides and making this beautiful braid. At the last we are going to secure it by a rubber band. Next we're going to take a high ponytail and then we are going to fold it out in a round shape bun like this. Now you can add any kind of accessories as per your own choice and you can see it is ready. At the last we are going to apply the stick tag for securing the hair. Next we are going to take all of the hair and then we're going to use this colorful and elastic rubber band for securing the hair. Then we're going to make a braid by taking some hair and then adding some rubber bands eventually like this to complete this beautiful braid. Next we are going to take 4 ponytails and then we're going to take the 2, folding them once together at the back, and then we are going to divide them into 2 braids, folding them with the help of this pin, and now taking the remaining hair, making final 2 braids and adding these beautiful clutchers. Next we're going to take 4 ponytails, converting 2 ponies at the bottom into the braids and joining them to the ponies for the converting the pony into round buns, and they are ready. Next we're going to take a high ponytail, dividing it into 3 parts and then start making a braid. After that we are going to secure it with a rubber band and then your bun is completed like this. Next we're going to take this pony, dividing it into 2 parts, and then we're going to take one side of it and then start taking some hair from one side to complete a braid, repeating the same with the other side and then joining it at the back, and we are leaving the remaining hair open. Next we're going to take this ponytail and then while adding the rubber band we are going to divide this in half from the top and then adding this clip. Then taking the remaining hair and then adding some more hair from both of the sides to making 2 braids. Now you can see we are going to secure it with rubber band and it's ready. Next we are going to take 2 braids on one side and then we are going to add some rubber bands for making this hairstyle. At the end we are going to finally secure it with this rubber band and it's ready. Next we're going to divide our hair into 2 parts, first taking a ponytail, then we're going to take some more hair along with that and then making this braid. Furthermore, folding it into half and then adding a rubber band for securing it, and it is ready. Next we are going to take hair from one side, adding several rubber bands. After that folding the one braid and taking the second one for making another braid, and now finally securing it with rubber bands and adding these ribbons.